Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase your font size inside Reddit. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to increase the Reddit font size, I'm going to open up Reddit and show you what size I've currently got running. So you can see it's at this size. And now in order to make this size bigger, we need to head back, click into settings. Now from here, navigate until you see display. Go ahead and click on display, scroll lower, look for font size and style, click into font size and style, and as you can see my font size is set to this, and you've got like a slider at the bottom. So left to right is, if you go left it'll make it smaller, if you move it right it'll make it larger. So if I go ahead and make it say the second or third largest, I'm going to head back to Reddit. Now let's see if that's changed the font size. Oh, there you go, it's made it a lot larger and easier to see. So have a play around with what font size you want to set it to, and then once you've set it, go back to Reddit and that font size will be changed accordingly.